Hey kids! Today we're going to draw and color a cute strawberry together. Let's have some fun. Alright, let's draw a strawberry. First, draw a little circle on the top. Now let's add the leafy top of the strawberry. Great! Now draw the big strawberry shape. Nice! Let's add the tiny seeds all over it. Now go over the lines with your marker so they look bold and clear. Don't forget the little seeds. Trace those too. Awesome! Our strawberry drawing is ready. Time to add some colors. Let's color the top part brown. Now fill the leaves with a bright green. Look at that! Let's add yellow here. Next, color this section blue. This middle part looks great in pink. Orange is such a fun color. What's your favorite color? Now let's color the bottom parts purple. Nice! The bottom is yellow now, which means we're ready for glitter. Oops, I almost forgot the little dots. All right, time for glitter. First we add some glue, then sprinkle glitter on top. Whoa, the green glitter looks amazing! Wow, it's starting to sparkle already! Let's add some yellow glitter here. Now sprinkle some blue glitter. Let's decorate this pot with pink glitter. Here comes the orange glitter, so shiny. Now add purple glitter. Look how it sparkles. Finally, let's finish with yellow glitter. Now blow away the extra glitter. Wow, that looks awesome! See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
Anneciğim gelsene, ellerini versene. Ellerimizle şap şap şap, ayaklarımızla rap rap rap. Bir böyle bir şöyle, dans edelim seninle. Go!
AKN Kids House.